Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure security frameworks with ISO 27001 beginner guide step by step clearly. First, familiarize yourself with the ISO 27001 standard. Understand the fundamental principles of information security management. Identify the scope of your information security management system or ISMS. Conduct a gap analysis to evaluate your current security posture against ISO 27001 requirements. Engage stakeholders from various departments to gather insights and support. Define your information security policy to set the framework for your ISMS. Establish clear objectives for your information security initiatives. Develop a risk assessment process to identify potential security risks. Determine the risk acceptance criteria based on your organizational needs. Conduct a risk assessment to identify and evaluate threats and vulnerabilities. Document the findings of your risk assessment clearly and comprehensively. Create a risk treatment plan outlining how you will address identified risks. Implement necessary controls to mitigate and manage these risks. Ensure these controls align with Annex A of the ISO 27001 standard. Document all procedures and policies associated with your security measures. Set up training and awareness programs to educate staff on security practices. Regularly monitor and review your ISMS for compliance and effectiveness. Establish a process for internal audits to ensure ongoing adherence to ISO 27001. Prepare for the certification audit by checking that all documentation is complete. Address any findings from the audit promptly for continuous improvement. Once certified, maintain compliance through regular reviews and updates. Stay informed about changes to the ISO 27001 standard and adapt accordingly. Finally, cultivate a culture of security within your organization for long-term success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.